Hello, children. How is your day today? Enjoying, right? Uh, in the last class, we have studied about good manners in English, right? So here we go with, again with the same English. That is chapter 5th, the parrots and the flower. The parrots and the flower. Okay, this is a story about parrots and flower. So, how many of you like stories? I too like that. Okay, here we go. I'm going to read a story. If you have your textbook, please turn to your page number 58. If you have your English fairy book, please turn to your page number 58. Here we go with the English. That is the parrot and the flower story. I'm going to read for you. Listen carefully and see the pictures also. You can follow the story. Okay. Yes. Here is all about the story about two parrots and flowers. Here, parrots means how many parrots? Parrots, that is two. If you tell one parrot means we call that as singular parrot, right? One means we say that is singular, but if two or more than two, then we say that as parrots. We call that as plural. What is that? Singular is parrot, whereas plural is parrots. Okay, two or many more. So, how many parrots are there from our story? We have two parrots. Okay, fine. And flower, one or two? Flower, one flower. If plural means flowers, two or more. Okay, one means we say that flower, and two or more means we say that as flowers. Okay, this is the story about parrots and flower. Okay, here we go with the story. Flowers, where we see flowers in gardens, right? And where we can see parrots. Parrots also we can see in the evening times they will be flying in the sky, and we can see in zoo parks, right? It is a pet bird. Like in some houses also we can see. Why? Because it's a pet bird. So someone have the like to have the parrots at home, then they will adopt that as a pet bird. Okay, here is the story about two parrots, right? Flowers, generally we see flowers in parks, gardens, and outside like in lawns, all those things we can see the flowers. Okay, here I am going to start the story. There lived two parrots. Where lived? Somewhere parrots are living. There lived two parrots in a beautiful garden. What is that? Beautiful garden. Two parrots are living in a beautiful garden. Garden means where we can have only plants and some kind of grass, all those things. We can see, we can have the gardens in front of our home or beside our home. We can have the gardens. Okay, here also one beautiful garden is there. What kind of garden it is? Beautiful. It consists of colorful flowers, big trees, all these things you can see in that garden. So they said that it's a beautiful garden. In that garden, two parrots are living. There live two parrots in a beautiful garden. They lived on a big tree. What kind of tree it is? The parrots lived in a big tree. If the trees, if the plants are big, then we say that as tree, right? If it is small, then we say that as plants. But here it is a tree. So it is very big. In this big tree, two parrots are living together. Together, they are living in a big tree. They live. They love to fly around the garden. What their wish? What the parrots' wish is? They love to fly. The parrots love to fly. Fly means to roam here and there in air. To roam here and there in air. So here also parrots are roaming around the flying around the garden. They like that. They love that to fly. When they were tired, they sat on the grass and ate worms. What happens if they are flying around the garden? Sometimes they will be tired, right? Feeling somewhat discomfortness. So they will tired, and after tired, what they will do? They will sit. Generally, you also generally you will run. After some time, you will feel some tiredness. So what you do? You will sit somewhere. So in the same way, the parrots also flying around the garden, and after getting tiredness, they are sitting. Both the parrots are sit on a grass. Grass, you know very well about grass, na? Grass we can see in parks, right? So they'll sit on the grass and eat worms. They will start eating worms. Worms means small insects. Worms means small insects, not big insects, small insects. So parrots, what do parrots eat? Parrots eat worms, small worms they will eat. That is the food of parrots. Okay. So they sat on the grass and ate worms. They are eating the worms, small worms, which will be flying on the grass. Some grass insects will be there. Na? That worms the parrots are eating. One parrot is telling that we love to eat these leaves. One parrot is telling to the other parrot, we love to eat these leaves. Leaves also the parrots are eating. Okay. One garden is there, beautiful garden. In that garden, one big tree is there. In that big tree, both the parrots are living. And when they, what is the work of the parrots? They will fly around the garden and they will get tired. After getting tired, they will sit and eat worms. And they like to eat fruits and leaves also. What are the things that the parrot eat? Worms, fruits. The parrots will eat worms, fruits, and leaves. And one parrot is telling that we love to eat these leaves also. A little yellow flower heard the parrots. One little yellow flower was there in that beautiful garden. One little yellow flower was there in that garden. What it heard? It heard about the parrots. She was scared. That flower was scared. Scared means um, it was it started to stared at the parrots. Why? Because uh, it, it heard something what the parrots are talking. So here it is that yellow flower heard the parrot. She was very scared. Now the flower is thinking, what the flower is thinking, oh no, I hope these two parrots don't find worms here. They will sit on me and tear my petals with their beak. Help. The already the flower, little flower is scared because of the parrots are parrots will eat the petals. So what the flower is telling means, I hope these two parrots don't find the worms here. If parrots don't find the worms here, what they will do? They will sit on me. On me means on flower. They will sit on me and tear my petals. Petals means a flower is consists of petals, right? The leaves like things, that is petals. They will tear. Tear means removing all my petals and with their beak. What does the parrot consist of? You know, parrot has the beak like structure. With that beak is very hard, so that it can remove anything with the help of beak, not with the legs. It will take the help with the beak. Okay, this is the beak. Okay, that's why the flower is scared about that. They will remove my petals with the help of beak. And the parrots heard the scared flower. Now parrots also heard the cry of the flower. Flower is crying. Why? Because it don't want to get her petals to be removed, right? So that's why the flower is crying. But here the parrots heard the scared flower. Parrots also heard the cry of a flower. They went to talk her. Two parrots came to the flower, little flower, yellow flower, and talking with the flower. Hello, little flower. They are introducing. Hello, little flower. We don't know that our beaks tear the flowers. We doesn't know that our beaks, with the help of our beaks, we can remove the petals. We don't know about that. Okay, we will never sit on any flower again. We are sorry. So the parrots are telling you don't scare bad boy, because we will not sit on any flower. Not only are you, we will not sit on any flower. We are sorry. Sorry. They are asking for the apology. Sorry. They are telling that sorry. So what happens here? Flower is scaring. Why? Because the parrots are going to tear the petals. But the parrots heard the cry of the little yellow flower, and parrots came near to the flower and said that, no, we are not going to tear your petals. Why? Because we are sorry. We will never do this again with any flower. Okay? And now we'll see what happens next. Turn to your page number 60. The little flower was happy. Before that, it was scared, right? Scared. Now, this is happy. The little flower was happy. She rubbed her eyes and smiled. Now, little flower, what it did? She rubbed her eyes and smiled. Why? Because it was happy. Why? Because the parrots are not going to tear the petals. Will you be our friend, dear flower? Will you be our friend? Yeah, sure. I would love to be your friend. The flower also agreed that I will be your friend. Now, who are friends here? Parrots and the flower. Okay. In this way, they became good friends. After that, what happens? We'll continue with the next chapter in the next session with next class. Okay. Up to here, this is the end of my lesson for today's session. But next, we'll continue with the same lesson. Now, parrot, flower, both became best friends. So no need to worry about the parrots. Flower is very happy. Okay, this is the end. Tomorrow in the next class we will continue with the same chapter, that is the parrots and the flower. Okay, learn the keywords and do the Google form, whatever I'm going to give you as an assignment part. Complete the questions. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next class with the same topic. Bye bye.